came all the way from Bangalore to witness the discussion in the parliament because parliament is proposed a constitutional amendment bringing a reservation for the women folk in the country and for the parliament and the assembly of both. I came all the way from Bangalore and witnessed this, but I am totally disappointed because the way in which the constitutional amendment the bill was proposed in the parliament, it is not expected from the government because they were knowing they had no majority to bring the bill and to move the bill in the floor of the House without taking the confidence of any opposition parties. Also, they unilaterally they brought, and the bill also it is not clear. It is not a clear message, and they are not able to project properly before the country. Before that, the Prime Minister himself went round the country at the time of elections and made all promises that they will bring a legislation like this and that. But now what has happened, the way in which they handled, it is a total failure of the parliamentary procedure and it is against the constitutional mandate, but they have to own the responsibility, and it is not far for the woman. They are to set up an against woman folk. They have brought this type of bill without any thinking at all.